Hi guys, today we talk about how can you choose notification shuttle on your Rain app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign here in app, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then you come to this list here and you just go down here. Then you click here on neighbor settings here. So then you come to this list here, you click here on neighborhood settings. So then you come to this list, you click here on push notification settings here, and you click here on shuttle here. So then here can you choose if you want to add always or never or custom here. So then when you down you go up, you click here on save. So then it's going to save video on your Rain app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.